values of heat capacity in solids derived by Dulong-Petit, Debye, thermal scientists who derived the value of heat capacity in solids, that is Cp, according to Einstein, Cp near about of Cv 3R h nu upon kT square e to the power h nu upon kT upon e to the power h nu kT minus 1, where h denotes here Planck constant, nu denotes here frequency, k denotes here R upon N, Boltzmann constant, R denotes here that is of gas constant. These were the detailed information of heat and capacity in solids. Now we proceed quantum mechanics further. In next topic, photoelectric effect. Photoelectric effect प्रकाश विद्युत प्रभाव PEE. Various scientists and famous scientists Mulliken, Thomson and other, with the collaboration of some partial role of Bohr and Planck, they defined the state about photoelectric effect in quantum mechanics. According to this effect, that is of a metallic sheet here, metallic sheet धात्विक परत, it has electrons on the surface, when according to this effect, photoelectric effect, when a beam of monochromatic light h nu is incident upon the surface of the electron, it will accelerate, having the kinetic energy Ke is equals to half mv, that is v square. When a beam of monochromatic of light is incident here to accelerate with the kinetic energy of half mv square, the removal of electron after the incident of monochromatic beam of light is known as monochromatic beam of light. मोनोक्रोमेटिक बीम ऑफ लाइट एक वर्णीय प्रकाश की किरण पुंज जब किसी धात्विक सतह से गिरती है, गतिज ऊर्जा 1/2 mv² के साथ इलेक्ट्रॉन का जो उत्सर्जन है, इलेक्ट्रॉन का जो हटना है, प्रकाश विद्युत प्रभाव कहलाता है। When a beam of monochromatic light having the energy E is equals to h nu is incident upon the surface of metallic sheet to accelerate the electron having the kinetic energy is half mv². This effect is known as photoelectric effect. But one important condition which is essential to accelerate to remove the electrons from the surface, that is the monochromatic beam of light or incident or photon which we are going to incident upon the surface of metallic sheet should have the minimum frequency to remove the electrons, the frequency which is essential to remove the electrons with kinetic energy half mv². Such frequency is known as threshold frequency and is symbolized by that is of nu0 threshold frequency देहली आवृत्ति न्यू नॉर्मल फ्रीक्वेंसी सामान्य आवृत्ति। जब एक वर्णीय प्रकाश की किरण पुंज जब धातु की सतह पर गिरती है तो इलेक्ट्रॉन के एमिशन के लिए, रिमूवल के लिए, उत्सर्जन के लिए एक न्यूनतम आवृत्ति का होना आवश्यक होता है। ये न्यूनतम आवृत्ति देहली आवृत्ति कहलाती है। When a beam of monochromatic light is incident upon metallic sheet, the emission of electrons from the surface to move with the kinetic energy half mv² is known as kinetic energy, and minimum frequency must be required to emit the electrons from that is of metallic surface. The required, the essential, that is specific frequency is known as threshold frequency. In mathematical form, photoelectric effect one can write by the following equation: h nu is equals to phi plus that is of half mv². Here on simplifying further, here h nu is equals to h nu 0 plus that is of half mv². It is the mathematical PE, it is also known as PEE equation here. Here h denotes that is of Planck constant, V normal frequency, h Planck constant, nu0 threshold frequency, laser of frequency as threshold. It is impossible to emit the electrons from that is of metallic sheet. Minimum energy, minimum frequency must be required here for the emission of that is of electrons. Another one form here, that is of one can write here, that is of one can write here h nu minus h nu 0 is equals to half mv square h nu minus mu 0 is equals to half mv square. First one, second one, third one, equation number that is of third one. Equation number first, equation number 7, equation number 3 show the various mathematical equation of photoelectric effect. Now question here is, what are the utilization of photoelectric effect in quantum mechanics in the field of intensity, in the field of wavelength, where photoelectric effect actually have been used here. Utility of photoelectric effect, utility of photoelectric effect, utility of that is of photoelectric effect, उपयोगिता. Photoelectric effect can be utilized in very photochemical phenomenon like diffraction, interfering, surface tension, viscosity. It can be utilized the polarity of the light in various optical field of environment. Now, after discussing photoelectric effect, we are going to start today. Let us proceed quantum mechanics further as Bohr's atomic model. Next topic, photoelectric effect, that is of Bohr's atomic model here. Bohr's atomic model, Bohr's atomic model, Bohr's atomic मॉडल, बोर का परमाणु सिद्धांत, बोर का H परमाणु हाइड्रोजन परमाणु मॉडल, Bohr's atomic model, H atom. In the series of quantum mechanics, Bohr also played the important fundamental role to explain the photochemical events and phenomenon here. The important postulates of Bohr here, important, that is of postulates, important postulates, महत्वपूर्ण, अभिग्रहित, महत्वपूर्ण, अभिग्रहित, that is of first one. In order to explain about the fundamental and important postulates of Bohr atomic model, let us draw the graphics and the structure of that is of hydrogen atom, that is of hydrogen atom, nuclei, electron which is moving around the nuclei, two types of the force acting here in downward direction and in that is of upward direction here. Say that is of n is equals to 1, that is of orbit, upward directions, the force that is applicable here, centri, that is of pital here, centripetal. On next one, that is of F2, that is of centrifugal, that is of centrifugal, that is of force. First postulate Bohr's state is when electron, first postulate, electron move in atomic orbit in a certain energy levels and energies are fixed These energy levels are known as orbits and can be symbolized by K shell, L shell, M shell and N shell. While electron, which is moving around the nuclei, first postulate, neither emit nor absorb the energy. Such energy level in which electron is moving is constant, neither emit not absorb. ये ऊर्जा स्तर स्थिर ऊर्जा स्तर कहलाते हैं। इनको KLMN अथवा E1, E2, E3, E4 ऊर्जा स्तर भी कहा जाता है। दो प्रकार के बल जो इस पर कार्य करते हैं, सेंट्रीपिटल और सेंट्रीफ्यूगल। सेकेंड पॉइंट, second postulate, when electrons is moving around the nuclei, centripetal force is counterbalanced by centrifugal force. अपकेंद्री बल अभिकेंद्री बल को प्रति संतुलित करता है। थर्ड वन postulate here, that is of the angular momentum of an electron which is moving around the nuclei. Angular momentum is directly is equals to the integer, multiple integer is equals to nh upon 2 pi. कोणीय संवेग nh upon 2 pi के अनुपात में होता है। थर्ड वन postulate, electron which is moving around the nuclei, angular momentum is equals to that is of nh upon 2 pi. Rest postulate of this topic we will discuss, that is of tomorrow. Thank you very much.